Hey guys, this is the process of phase one, which is really just getting to know how to use the tools, how to make an image, how to flash the image, how to SSH. That's kind of it for phase one. We're not doing much other than just poking around and setting things up. So I'm not going to explain everything about what is Yocto or like all the commands. This is just the basic fundamentals of what you need to get an image for your Raspberry Pi 4. There's a couple of steps here and some long steps, some shorter steps. We're going to build a server and we're going to set this up, and it has pretty beefy hardware requirements. So just keep in note that this is going to matter a lot because it's going to affect your build times. And your build times can be 50 minutes up to 8 hours depending on how many threads you have. I recommend you guys have a system available that is at least 4 cores or 4 threads, 8 gigs of RAM, and at least 100 gigabytes of storage. Okay, that was the quick overview with phase one. Let's begin.